we're a very small company, so to be able to be on the same stage as the large companies, it would just kind of say volumes about what we do and the importance of the innovation that we've made in the VR.
What made us enter is the fact that it's a way of recognising the hard work that a lot of companies are actually putting into engineering and the future and stuff like that, and developing engineers for the future.
I'm sure we'll have some new projects.
Yeah, we do have new projects on the go at the moment. One of the things that does attract us quite heavily is working with apprenticeships and working with apprentices, which we do in the rail industry. So we will be encouraging a lot of rail engineers to be entering next year. So yeah, watch this space really. So yeah.